Hello traders. Today is 25th of November, Wednesday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis. Today we found the market reaction was mixed. As you can see, we've seen the consolidation. So I'm going to show you one of my traders live account. As you can see, this is the live account. This is not a demo account. So just to let you know, guys. And let's see today performance. Let's click on this one and today. Okay, so today, even in a consolidation, he made a $2,722 profit. And all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcasted in the platform. So let me share with you. Let's go back to the analysis and I'll show you all the analysis which he banked beautiful pips. All right, so Euro USD, just to before start analysis, just to recap, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4 hour analysis with a live audio commentary support. So it means like we analyze market in a high time frame and then we analyze market in a shorter time frame in intraday system to refine our entries and exit. So this morning, as you can see, the price developed another pattern. So we explaining based on the momentum. You can see here, we were looking a long trade, either pullback, which price nicely developed a pullback. The safest trade we mentioned, if the price going to break above the previous high, you can see beautiful breakout. And as always, our first target would be the next fib channel, which price nicely hit to the first target. So this was the breakout trade on Euro USD. Pound dollar, this was the up channel develop, and we were basically explaining to traders the safest trade would be if the price gonna break this fib channel. As you can see, price refused to break, stay above that blue fib channel, which we announced through live audio commentary, and we mentioned to traders to take these breakouts. And afterwards, we were watching in 4 hour, by the way. So let me share with you the 4 hour just to let you know, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour. You can see, and this morning we have the price was at this level, and we mentioned, guys, one to third touch. So we explained to look for the breakout. So breakout is performed at this level, and we explained to take a short trade here. So that's why the beautiful trade. And as soon as the price hit this level, we bank some beautiful pips, and you will see in another analysis. So this was the breakout short trade on pound dollar. Euro yen, this was the counter short trade. Price literally hit this first fib channel later on. As you can see, price refused to maintain the stay above the previous high, and this was the pretty straightforward breakout short counter short trade and on euro yen. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. You can see we were expecting a breakout long, but as you can see, based on the analysis, that's what we explained to traders. We should be trading what we see it, not what we think. So price nicely broke on, and after the breakout, we announced all these short trade pound yen on through live audio commentary. Same thing in pound dollar. As you can see, one of my traders bank has such a beautiful probe. All sell trades in pound dollar. Uh, so this was the basically what happened breakout, which we bank some profit. And then we look if anybody missed. Look at the bottom. Momentum was bearish. So we managed to take another short trade and all these short trade until the price hit to the major support area, which I explained to you guys, this level. You're watching here at this level. So we take a short trade. We had at least 2 or 3 pullbacks. You can see here, beautiful 3 pullbacks based on the momentum. Short trade on pound dollar. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. This was the consolidation breakout. And as soon as the price hit to the previous level, we announced to bank some profit. Euro USD, this was again the New York session analysis, another very small long trade breakout on Euro USD. We closed most of the trades just before FOMC meeting because we don't trade in, especially in the speech. So this was happened, beautiful long trade on Euro USD. Pound dollar, this one again, based on the analysis of the New York session. We already had this breakout and then price reverse. We maintain to stay at as long as the price going to stay above the 200 EMA. And then we announce if anybody missed that trade, they can join this one. because stop loss was below the 200 EMA. So we have another beautiful, and as always mentioned, beautiful long trade and nicely hit target profit on pound dollar. Dollar Swiss franc, this was a pretty straightforward consolidation breakout. As always mentioned to traders, the most safest trade would be, especially when we have a huge consolidation after the breakout pullback, short trade, nicely hit our first target. Euro pound, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis, that the price refused to maintain this level. You can see here broken and could not maintain that level. But let's see if you get the confirmation here, then probably going to be short trade. But the most safest trade would be the breakout short trade. Pound Swiss franc, this one again, very small long trade. Price literally later on hit the first target on pound Swiss franc. Pound yen, pretty straightforward at this New York session. We explained to our traders the price develop another consolidation. So let's look for the breakout as at the bottom based on the momentum. We took a long trade and banked beautiful pips on pound yen this evening. And dollar CAD, again, this was the pretty straightforward breakout and the most safest trade after the breakout pullback short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, we mentioned to bank some profit on dollar CAD. Kiwi dollar, this was a pretty straightforward, as you can see, based on the momentum. Beautiful breakout after the breakout pullback long trade on Kiwi dollar. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all these analysis details. And if you would like to see all that analysis and trade updates with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have forex trading experience, don't worry. We also provide full forex coaching and training through this platform. Even if you are struggling, this is the best place where you can see all that trading analysis and the trades in real time, and you can develop your trading skill in real time trading environment. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to make all that profit and pips every single day alongside with our professional trader. I'm pretty sure you will enjoy. So most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing trader community. And once again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.